In every kitchen, the smallest tools often make the biggest difference. And the best kitchen sink drain strainer is one of those unsung heroes that quietly protects your home from mess, stress, and costly repairs. It's not just about catching scraps, it's about creating a cleaner, smoother, and more efficient daily routine where every drop flows without worry. There are many kitchen sink drain strainer to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best kitchen sink drain strainer from top brands. This product can really help people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Upgrade your bathroom with the Sink Stopper Hair Catcher, 2PCS. A smart and efficient solution designed to keep your sink clean and clog-free with minimal effort. Featuring a convenient pop-up design, this drain strainer allows you to easily open and close the drain while effectively catching hair, debris, and other particles before they cause blockages. Its 2-in-1 innovative structure combines a built-in anti-clogging basket with a stopper, ensuring smooth drainage and reducing the need for frequent maintenance. Crafted with a durable brass core and high-quality ABS material with a sleek chrome finish, this sink stopper offers long-lasting performance, rust resistance, and a modern look that complements any bathroom decor. Designed for wide compatibility, it fits 99% of sink holes and includes 2 rubber rings for a secure, leak-proof fit across various drain sizes. Installation is incredibly simple. Just remove your old stopper and drop this one in place for instant use. It's also eco-friendly, helping you avoid harsh chemical cleaners while promoting a healthier home environment. Customers appreciate its effectiveness, easy installation, and stylish design, making it a practical and affordable upgrade for any bathroom. Number 2. Keep your sink clean and clog-free with the MR.SIGA Kitchen Sink Strainer, a durable and highly efficient solution designed for everyday use in kitchen, bathroom, and utility sinks. Constructed from premium stainless steel, this strainer offers long-lasting performance and resists rust, making it a reliable upgrade from flimsy alternatives. Its high-density mesh effectively traps even the smallest food particles, hair, and debris while allowing water to flow smoothly, preventing blockages and maintaining optimal drainage. The thoughtfully designed outer rim ensures a secure and stable fit over the drain, while the smooth edges protect your hands and sink surfaces from scratches. With an outer diameter of 4.4 inches, inner diameter of 3 inches, and a depth of 0.87 inches, it fits most standard drains perfectly and sits flush for a clean modern look. Cleaning is quick and effortless, as the strainer is dishwasher safe and can also be rinsed easily under running water. Customers appreciate its sturdy construction, ease of use, and excellent performance in keeping drains clear, noting that it is simple to empty and far more effective than traditional mesh or plastic strainers. Whether you are upgrading your kitchen or maintaining a tidy sink, this strainer delivers dependable results with minimal effort. Number 3. Keep your drains clean and free from clogs with the 1.0-inch small drain strainer, a compact yet highly effective solution designed specifically for small drain openings. With a 2.212-inch top diameter and a 1-inch basket, this strainer is ideal for bathroom sinks, RV drains, and other tight spaces, though it is important to check your drain size before purchasing for the perfect fit. Made from premium stainless steel, it features a thickened, durable construction that resists rust and deformation, ensuring long-lasting use. The smart full-bore design with 0.08-inch perforations allows water to flow smoothly while efficiently trapping hair, debris, and unwanted particles, preventing slow drainage and costly blockages. Its mirror finish surface not only adds a clean, polished look but also makes maintenance effortless, as it can be easily rinsed under water to remove buildup. This practical tool helps you save money by reducing the need for expensive plumbing services and avoids the use of harsh chemical cleaners, making it an eco-friendly choice for your home. Customers appreciate its ease of use, sturdy build, and reliable performance, especially in small drains, making it a simple yet essential addition for maintaining a hygienic and hassle-free sink system. Number 4. Upgrade your kitchen with the LASSHSWA Kitchen Sink Drain Strainer, a reliable and high-performance solution designed to keep your drains clean and clog-free. This 2-piece set is crafted from premium stainless steel, offering excellent durability and a rust-free finish that stands up to daily use in busy kitchens or even commercial environments. The strainer features a thickened 2-ply metal sheet flat rim that resists deformation, while the smooth hemming ensures safe handling without scratching your hands or sink surfaces. Designed to fit most standard drains and garbage disposals, it measures 4.5 inches in outer diameter, 3 inches for the inner filter, and 1 inch in depth, providing a secure and stable fit. Its ultrafine 0.04-inch microperforations efficiently trap even the smallest food particles and debris while maintaining smooth and uninterrupted water flow, preventing costly plumbing issues. Cleaning is quick and effortless, as the strainer can be rinsed with warm soapy water or placed in the dishwasher, maintaining its shiny mirror finish over time. Customers praise its sturdy construction, excellent filtering performance, and ease of use, noting that it holds a large number of debris before needing to be emptied. Stylish, durable, and practical, this strainer is an essential upgrade for any modern kitchen. Number 5. Upgrade your kitchen with the Sink Drain Strainer Sink Stopper Kitchen, an innovative 3-in-1 solution that combines a drain strainer, sink stopper, and odor isolation system in one smart design. With its convenient pop-up mechanism, simply press the button to seal the drain and store water for washing, then press again to release water while effectively catching food scraps and debris. The anti-clogging PP basket is designed to filter kitchen waste efficiently without blocking water flow, allowing you to dispose of collected debris easily and hygienically without getting your hands dirty. Built with premium 304 stainless steel and a sturdy brass bounce core, this strainer offers exceptional durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance, while the food-safe PP material ensures safety and heat resistance. Designed for universal compatibility, it fits most standard 3 to 3.38-inch kitchen drain holes, making it a versatile addition to nearly any sink. Installation is quick and effortless, and the waterproof, oil-resistant materials make cleaning simple and hassle-free. Customers appreciate its perfect fitness, modern appearance, and reliable functionality, noting how it keeps sinks looking clean while preventing clogs. This practical and stylish upgrade transforms everyday kitchen tasks into a smoother, more efficient experience with minimal maintenance required. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product's price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.